Not 12. Not 12. Or 13.
All right, first station time. Let me get into it. Hey, man. Hey, come on, catch a boy. Stefan.
Morning, gentlemen. Welcome to Sher Street Marketplace, where the action is. First of all, I would like to say thank you for all the participants. You guys did a wonderful job here this morning. I want to say thanks to the team that make it possible as well. The Born Restless team, the Outstar team, the Uprising team, the Dead Squad team, and all who participated here today. We had a couple of sponsors. We want to welcome Mr. Lenny, who did some cocktail for us as well. I would also like to give thanks to some of the people who made these hampers possible. Mr. Bodan and Jai from overseas have contributed to making some of these hampers. We're going to go right into the presentation. We're going to deal with the winners first. All the time we deal with the loser first. Well, today we are presenting the winners first. The first winner today is Romel. They did 4 minutes and 50 seconds, 50 rackle. Congratulations to Romel. Wonderful job. Food hamper for you, bye. Bring on it. Don't go, we got a price for the winners as well. It's a different price. Here we go. You could probably, you got wood from the bottom, right? Yeah. Thank you. The next winner, Andy Voices Anwar. Where we can get Mr. Andy coming out.
Yeah, peanut man first. No peanut man lose.
Peanut man lose. Peanut man, we're going with winner. Andy, use the two address. Come, bring it on. You can bring all the rest for me, the car for the second prize. Mr. Andy, winner. In a sudden death event.
Sudden death.
The other winner, Chanel, beating Salim.
Wow. Chanel. All right.
I win for the belt.
All right, go tomorrow.
The other winner is Pill. Beating Whitetail. Bring on the rest of the thing from the car.
I got a song.
Hold for the bottom.
I got a song coming because of Hampo. Because of Hampo TV and them thing and stuff.
The other race is Redman. Yeah, Redman coming out at the last one. The one with the red bag is the second prize, right? Them two, the one with the white bag is me a pit. Thing. Redman coming in at last, replacing Kelvin. Yeah. All right. Running, I left me place last because I'm doing presenting. So we got in the second place. Mr. Anwar. Come on, red bag. No, put back the one. Yeah, no, they got different prices inside. The two white bags, yeah, bring the one.
Give me 2 bags and come size.
Don't go, I got something here, Mr. Anwar.
I don't move it.
Salim, come in. Yeah, buddy. Bring all the rest to the front, see now? The front. Chris. Yeah. Hold the bottom. Come in, Chris. Bring all the other one in the bottom. He has started this morning. Chris. Peanut man. Turn for the camera, man. Turn for the camera. Peanut man.
I didn't want the board on for the camera.
Yeah. One more person. Who's the other person, man? Is Stefan.
This was you on board. It should have
Yeah, it's in Kelly Kitwan. Come in. Raymond, I want to take again next one. Say that red man.
You give everything you know, Butcher.
Yeah, good. When the one for Stefan come in? There's me now. Me and you left there. Put one in any car back for me. I want a picture with all the winners. Come over here. Yeah. Good, congrats. Winners today. Don't forget, they got some cakes and beverage here for everybody.
All right, first station time. Let me get into it. Hey, man. Stefan, thank you.